Hey guys, Friday the 28th. Here we go again. Some more bad weather. Thunderstorms, as you can see, the squall line is coming in. They were talking about tornadoes in the Killeen, Temple, Waco area. And then hail, so we really don't want any hail. The garden is looking really good. I don't want to have to start all over, so we'll watch the skies and keep you posted. All right guys, it is coming. Wow guys, that is a very dark squall. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. And that's just to the south. All right guys, that's some creepy looking sky right there. I mean, it is dark. The camera's probably not picking it up. And I can see a bunch of lightning. I'm just praying guys that we do not get hail. We had a good start to the year, a good spring. Really don't want any hail to destroy the garden. But we'll see what happens. Oh man, guys, I do not like those clouds. I do not like those clouds. We are gonna keep a close eye on this storm. That cloud is really dipping down. Oh man. Not good. Uh-oh. You see that cloud right there? We don't want to see any spinning. And I don't want to see it continue to go lower to the ground. Yeah, I shouldn't be out here, guys. So I'm gonna head in. I just really want to keep an eye on that cloud. Uh-oh. It looks like a funnel cloud. Yeah, I'm gonna go in. Wow. This is crazy. I don't like those clouds. I'm gonna stay out here and keep an eye. Guys, I want you to take a look at this cloud right here, okay? Watch how it is kind of spinning a little and dipping down. That could be the start of a tornado. So when you live here, especially in Central Texas, you've got to pay attention. Now, if there was one, the only place that Miss Rochelle and I and the dogs could go would be the middle of the house in the hallway, shut all the doors, and I'd throw probably a mattress over Rochelle. That's our best bet. I don't like that cloud. Bunch of sirens going off. Something's going on. Been here pretty much my whole life, guys, except for the time I was in the Army. Every storm is different. This one's kind of creepy. You kind of learn how to read the skies. You just want to be careful. You know, the news is pretty good about letting you know if there's any tornadoes or anything, but I can tell from those clouds, you just got to be careful. I'm not going to just sit in the house and watch TV and just whatever happens. No, I'm going to be out watching. So we'll keep you posted and just praying that we don't get any hail. I don't want our plants damaged, so we'll keep an eye. And here comes the rain. We'll take the rain, just don't give me any hail. It's amazing how the sky just right over there is clear, but we're right in the middle of this wall line. I think we're getting hail, guys. Probably marble size hail. I can hear it hitting the roof. The garden looks fine so far. Oh no. Yep. Yeah, I think it's just like marble size or pea size hail. I think we'll be fine if it doesn't, as long as it's not golf ball size. See that right there? Little tiny hail, so I think we'll be okay. Oh man. You can see them bouncing all around. The only thing I really worry about is the tomatoes and the peppers. The onions and garlic are ready to harvest anyway. Another thing, guys, the temperature was like 88, 89, and now it's like 67. The temperature just dropped. It feels cold. I was out here earlier just checking out the garden, and it was really hot. But it's just amazing how the temperature dropped. So I'm hoping, I think the hail is gone. I think the rain's gonna slow down, but we'll wait a little bit. Yeah, we're still in the thick of it, guys. Hopefully coming to the end. Yeah, it's really coming down now, guys. The wind speed is picking up, and it's cold. Let me tell you something, that rainwater is freezing. I'm not a meteorologist, guys, but I do kind of know how it works. You know, we were getting a lot of warm air from the Gulf of Mexico. I mean, it was 88, 89 degrees today. This cold front comes in. All that air just sucks up really high into the atmosphere. That's where the hail kind of forms. And then when it comes down, it's freezing cold. I actually learned that on the Weather Channel. Whew. Yeah, it's really coming down now. Yeah, we're getting more hail, guys, a little bigger. Oh no. They're about marble size. You can see them landing on the table. Oh no. Oh man. Getting a little more violent. Well, there you go. It's over, and you can see the sun shining. We have a tree limb down. It's a pretty good sized one. I'll have to break out the chainsaw this weekend. Let's go take a look at the veggie garden. Still some lightning, guys, so I don't want to be out here too long, but I just want to check out the plants. Looks like everything is okay. Just my gloves are on the ground. A lot of stuff, the wind. Tomatoes look good. I think we're fine. Maybe some of the delicate lettuce. The peppers over there look great. Now, over on the grow table, I actually put the 40% shade cover over, kind of planning on, oop, got to get in here soon, kind of planning on the hail, but I think that protected it. Potatoes don't look too good, but I'm sure they'll bounce back. And our mystery plant, I got to go in. Well, I hope you enjoy these. I know it's kind of random. I wasn't going to film anything, but I figured a lot of our subscribers would want to see what it's like to be in a crazy Central Texas thunderstorm. So tell me what you think. If you like these impromptu videos, we're just sitting around and something happens, just let me know if you enjoy these. I just want to share with you guys what it's like to live here in Central Texas, what we deal with when we're trying to grow our own food. Just thought it would be fun for you guys. We have something really special planned. Tomorrow we're going to the Poppy Festival in a town north of us called Georgetown. It's just a really fun festival. We'll take you guys around, kind of a day trip, and hopefully you'll enjoy. So until then, guys, stay safe. Please pray for everyone that was affected by this storm. We hope that there's no lives taken, and property as well too. But let us know how you guys are doing if you're in Texas. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless. Take care.